In farming, weed control is an expensive and time-consuming work. Weeds are the unwanted plants which grow with crop and compete for nutrition and water with main crops. In this video, we are going to see various methods to control weeds. Watch till end for the better understanding of the process. As I already mentioned, weeds are unwanted plants which grow with crops. However, weeds need certain temperature and sunlight to grow. By cutting the temperature and sunlight, we can control the weeds. Now let's see the different methods available. This is a very effective method. In this veiling method, the land should be covered by the waste weeds. These waste weeds will cover the land from sunlight. Without sunlight, nothing can grow. In veiling, we have to leave space for the main crop we intend to grow. In this, we can plant the seeds. Drip irrigation method is best for the veiling method. There are three advantages in this method. First, we can control the weeds. Second one, it will hold the humidity of the land. Third one is, after a year, it will become manure for our land. Similar process is followed by weed mats, but for that we need 15,000 rupees for half of the acre. In this method, we are going to see about natural herbicide. Before going into our organic herbicide, let me tell you what's really happening while we are using herbicides. Herbicides contain glycosine. This glycosine will kill the microorganisms in the land. Modern science says land is only for grip. Microorganisms are the main source of the proteins and vitamins of the plant. Air contains 70% of nitrogen. These bacteria are the converters of this nitrogen to urea. When we use herbicides, it will kill the microorganisms in the land. And also, herbicides are the major cause of infertility and cancer in humans. Herbicides and pesticides are not good for land and human welfare, but organic farming deals with this in a different way. Organic farming says cow urine contains too much of nitrogen. Too much of nitrogen can kill the plant, but not the microorganisms. Now let's see how to make this simple natural herbicide. For this, we need at least 15 days fermented cow urine, a lemon and 5 gram of soap. So we have 5 gram of soap powder and 5 liter of cow urine. Now we have to add this too. Then we have to keep this in room for 1 day. Now we have to add 1 lemon. Now our herbicide is ready to use. Don't add water, it's so important. Don't use while raining. For better experience, use this in morning. Don't use this to any crops. This is only for waste plants in the farm. And make sure that you have sprayed top to bottom of the weeds. If you would like more information, post them in comment section. Until next, this is Dilip. Go organic, go healthy. Thank you.